Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Angika and today I'm going to show you how to do a face cleanup in just 3 simple steps. Face cleanups are really important as it helps to keep our skin hydrated. It gives a radiant glow to our skin. All these spots, blemishes, whiteheads and blackheads can be kept at a bay. Also, it helps in reducing the effects of tanning. So guys, this video is going to be a little longer with a lot of talk, so let's start with it and do watch the video till the end. First step for cleansing is to clean your face with a cleanser. So here I am going to go with this Avon Naturals Purifying Cleanser with carbon and perilla leaf. This combination of carbon and perilla leaf is a great one as it helps to unlock your pores. It clears the impurities from your skin and it also helps in exfoliation of all dead skin cells and gives you a healthy radiant glow. So I'm just going to show you how to use it. We are going to take in small amounts. And clean your face in this circular motion. Now after you're done with massaging this all over your face, just leave it for around 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 2 minutes and now you can just go and wash your face with normal or cold water. Here I'm using a tissue to clean my face. So I've washed my face properly with water and now the next step is to do scrubbing. So here I'm going to take the Avon Nutra Effects 3-in-1 scrubber, which is really a good one. It gently removes your dull and dead surface skin cells and it is also suitable for sensitive skin. So just take and the same way massage your skin in circular motions. So it's a gel based scrubber and after you are done massaging your skin with this scrubber, make sure that you have done it properly and please pay attention to the sides of your nose. So now all you need to do is just wash your face with normal water. You need to remove your blackheads or whiteheads. So if you do not have a whitehead or blackhead remover, then just heat some water and take a very soft cloth, or you can also go with a normal cotton pad. Make sure that the water is not much hot because it can hurt your skin then. So just dip into the hot water and place it like this. After doing this for some time, you can just touch these places, your nose and your chin, and see that there are no blackheads anymore. So now you can just dab your skin. After doing this, the last step of cleansing is to use a face pack. So here I'm going to go with this Avon Naturals Aloe Vera Hydration Face Mask. I have done a single video on this product, so you can go and watch it. Aloe vera is really good for acne and all, so I always prefer aloe vera. Make sure that you have evenly spread the mask all over your face, and now just leave it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, it's been 20 minutes and now you just need to wash your face with normal or cold water. So here I'm going to go with a tissue. Now after you're done washing your face properly with water, you can just go with a normal toner and moisturizer, whatever you use. Guys, I think it's really important for us to do this cleanup at least twice a week to have a healthy and a beautiful skin. The products which I have used in the video, I'm going to add in the description box, so please take a look. Also, you can buy these products easily from any online shopping site like Amazon or Flipkart. Also, I'm going to attach the link of an Instagram account in the description box. You can get all the Avon products from there also. So guys, please try this at homes and let me know you liked it or not. What was your experience, what you felt. So thank you for watching.